In this tutorial, you'll learn how to change the font on your iPhone running iOS 18. Begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General and then scroll down to find the Fonts option. In the Fonts option, you'll see System Fonts and My Fonts. The My Fonts section displays any fonts you have previously installed. To explore the available system fonts, tap on System Fonts, where you will find a list of pre-installed fonts. If a font catches your eye, tap the downward arrow next to it to download. You can also preview any font by tapping on its name to see its appearance. Note that these fonts can only be used in compatible apps like Mail. To use a custom font in Mail, bring up the keyboard, tap the arrow icon and select the arrow icon for formatting options. Choose Default Font to see your installed fonts and select one to start typing. If you have any questions or found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.